Hello, welcome. Let's have some revision on our just ended episode on coordinate geometry 1. We are picking past questions from WASI or WAYEK, past questions to see how we can relate the past questions with the tutorials that we just ended. So the first question here is coming from SSSCE 1995, question number 25, the objective text. So S is the point 4 and 6. R is also 12, 6. These 2 points are in the Cartesian plane. Then a point P, XY, moves in the plane such that the distance between PX is equals to that of what? PR. So we have to find that's the locus of the P. So we already know how to find the distance between 2 points. So first, we begin with the first one, which is Px. To find Px, we know it will be given as the root of the x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. And in this case, we know our P is having the point xy. We know our x is having the point 4 and 6. So what do? We only do substitution. This is going to be the x1, y1. This will be the x2, y2, right? So this, our PS, will just become the square root of x2, which will be 4, minus x, all square, plus 6, minus y, all square. Now, we can see in this place, we are not having the values of x and y. So even if we expand, we are going to have a very long expression. So let's leave this as px, then focus on pr. We know we have the r should be 12 and 6, and p still remain x word y. But don't forget, we are having p first. So this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So in the same vein, we can see our PR as a length will be equal to the square root of the x2. We are beginning from here, so this will be 12. So 12 minus x all square. We are beginning from here, so this will be 6 minus y all square. So if we are saying that PS is equals to PR, the value we had here is the same as the value we had here, we can equate to see that the square root of the first part, which is 4 minus x all square plus 6 minus y all square, should be equals to the very PR that we have here. So because of space, I'll be writing it under as the square root of 12 minus x all square plus 6 minus y all square. You can see we have a square root at both sides of the equal sign. So we do squaring of both sides. When we square both sides, the square root will cancel. So square both sides of the equal sign. Then the square root will cancel. You'll be left with only 4 minus x all square, 6 minus y all square equals to 12 minus x all square plus 6 minus y all square. So we can see, even if we want to do grouping of like terms and bring in this with the sign as plus, when they come here become minus, it will take care of this. But let's expand both sides. So in expansion, we know under algebra, we can expand this without going through the long process. So we square the first term, meaning 4 squared will be 16. We find twice the product of the numbers in the bracket. What is the product? 4 times x, that's 4x. So there's a negative, so negative 4x times 2. That will be negative 8x. Then we square the last term, which is the minus x. So minus x squared give us what? X squared. The same thing happened here. Square the first, 36. Their product will be minus 6y. Twice of that, minus 12y. Then we square the last, that will be plus what? Y squared. That is only for the left hand side of the equal sign. So let's say that is equals to square the first 144 twice the product 24x, square the last will be x squared. Then we have 36, we have minus 12, because this is twice will be 12 y, then plus what? Y squared. So here we are going to do grouping of like terms, as in bringing the terms from the right to the left. So if we begin with let's say x squared, we have x squared in the left, we have it at the right. So when they come to the right, it will cancel. So here our x squared will cancel x squared. We have positive y squared at the left, so this is also coming in there to become negative. So this will also cancel that. How about 36? 36 all positive. Crossing over to the left will also mean that 36 will also cancel 36. So what will be left? We have 16 at the left. We are sending in 144 from the right. It becomes negative 144. We have our minus 8x in the left. This is going there as negative, so become positive 24x. What do we have left? We are left with our negative 12y. Then this is also going to be negative. When the cross becomes positive, so that will also cancel as well. So this will cancel this. So after moving everything from the right to the left, you'll be left with only what? 0. 0 is the only thing left after transferring all the points. So now let's see if we subtract 16 from here, we get negative, alright, because 16 is less than this. So negative 128 plus 16x equals to 0. Okay, let's transpose the 128 to the other side, meaning 16x will be equals to positive 128. So we need to divide both sides by the coefficient here in order to find the x. So from here, we are having 16x divided by 16, 128 divided by 16. So I guess if you have 4, can go there and go here. I think all will give us 8. So now the value of x is 8. X is gone. So you're looking for the locus of the point P. So therefore, the locus of P is going to be x equals to 8. So that will be the locus of the point P, taking into consideration the distance between Px and that of what? PR. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.